Livin Lastly here. This week we have some exciting things that we're doing, and we're starting off with saying bye to Romy, our homie.
Yeah.
For a whole week. See you later.
We're leaving her.
We're leaving her
behind. For the first time in almost
For the first
2
time.
years.
Okay, so we just had our first stop along our road trip to North Carolina. This is, where are we at? Little Rock, Arkansas? Yeah. Little Rock, Arkansas. We just went to the Root Cafe. It was on Diners, Drive-ins and Dives. I cannot say this, you guys. We give it a freaking 5 stars. It was absolutely delicious. Our only downfall is it is so hot outside and most of their seating is outside that I would suggest almost getting it to go so that you can eat it like even in your car in the air conditioner. But it was great. Oh, what? Did the guy give you a dinosaur? Hi. Oh, okay. Do you have anything to say, Rue? No. Stop 57. I'm serious, like, holy moly, we are so proud of Arlo because he is completely 100% potty trained and he's doing so well. But diapers were much easier. We seriously, I think this is like stop 8
or 9
or something like that. We'll get there eventually. Hopefully. Hopefully, we have 1 hour left. Let's see if we can get through it without any more stops. Bubba, do you have anything to say about travel day? No. Do you have anything, Rudy? Are you ready to get out of the car?
Okay, I guess we'll just keep driving.
Well, they're not going to give their opinion about travel day, but I will tell you mine. This is our 3rd day, and we've traveled about 21 hours in 3 days. I do not recommend this. No, we're excited to be in North Carolina finally, Winston-Salem, and to get together with all of Austin's work family. So we're happy to be here. We are 10 minutes right now away from our hotel. And we could not be more excited to not be on the road for the next few days. So I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never leave the ground. Can I get a whoop whoop? Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Yeah. Can I get a whoop whoop? Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. We're here.
Where are we going?
We're going to a new park.
New park?
Mm-hmm. A new hotel.
Are we going to Gatlinburg, Tennessee? Yup, so I just wrapped up my sales week here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina.
We did not do any filming because Austin was doing business stuff.
Pretty busy this week, but that's what happens. So.
And I just did some running around with the kids and totally forgot to bring the camera. So
no worries.
Yeah, didn't film it, but we had a good time here in North Carolina.
Yeah, beautiful here. So now we are gonna head out. We're heading out to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We got about a 4-hour drive today. And then we're there for 3 nights, so it should be pretty cool.
Okay, we are back on the road, headed to Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
Yep.
And I just took us about 30 minutes out of the way to come to this burger place. Austin's favorite food's burgers, so I hope it's worth it. Barcelona Burgers.
Mom.
What?
Mooresville.
Sissy's gonna buckle me.
Okay.
Oh, I'll unbuckle you. Hang on.
Also, Austin grabbed a chip bag from Rudy and it was upside down. So
We got chips everywhere.
we have chips everywhere. So that's nice. But we're gonna go enjoy a burger and a beer and then get back on the road and finish out our trip.
Yep. Well, this is pretty awesome. Look at that. Those are the top of the mountains. We're all the way up here. We knocked out the Smoky Mountains.
Right. Okay, no, and you need to slow down. Okay, so there was a wreck on I-40 and we ended up taking an alternate route so that we didn't hit that traffic and that delay. And this is the most beautiful
Took us right through the smoke.
scenic drive, you guys. It actually, oh, here's another tunnel. Let me turn you around. Anyways, it's just beautiful. So sometimes things happen for a reason, and this alternate route, I think, is we were meant to see this.
Like the bear's here, then he'll jump onto our back while we leave.
Oh, and what do you think, Bubba?
If the bear comes on the car, it can walk on the top of our car and drive it to our home. Then we put it on top of our whole city.
The whole city?
Yeah,
Wow.
So you want to take the bear home with us?
yeah,
Alive?
yeah. And put it on top of our roof.
I think bears need to stay out in the wild.
Yeah.
Because that's where they thrive.
No.
No?
No. Vista Doubletree in Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
Now I'm gonna go.
Your teeth are brushed, right, Rudy?
Yes.
Okay, you and Daddy can wait out there for us. Okay, we're going to do
I'm
that
going
right
on the
now.
elevator. That one. I don't know.
Who's gonna be the winner?
Oh.
None of us! No one chose this one.
Here, buddy.
Whoa.
Push the low, the L. The L.
L. The L.
Okay. Back away. Now go watch.
Come here. Woo! Ooh.
Then I was walking. It goes down.
That gets your tummy a little bit.
You can learn the people.
No, I don't think so. Oh, well, that's because it's a fake bear.
No, it's fun. It's fun.
Okay. So you want another one? Okay, the same kind?
Yeah.
So we just went to Little Donut Shop on Parkway in Gatlinburg. I'm not even joking. All of us agree it's the best donuts we've ever had.
I agree with
The
that.
best.
Yep.
Best donuts. Look, I'll show you what we haven't eaten yet, but these will be gone in about 5 more minutes because the kids are like, another one, another one. But they're that good, you guys. So if you visit Gatlinburg, you've got to try this out. Nicest family too. They're super cool. Mom and dad were working there. It's actually their son's shop. So go support him, check him out. All right, pick your spot. There you go.
Don't rip it, son.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this,
Look
guys.
how high we get to go.
What are you
Freaking
feeling?
out.
Me too.
What do y'all think?
You are? What do you think about it? This is awesome.
You like it, bud?
He said this is awesome.
I figured you would. So we made it up to the top of Anarchista.
It is
hot.
freaking hot.
Yeah.
We're all drenched in sweat. That I did not like. The older I get, I don't think I like heights anymore.
Yeah.
But just how long it takes to get to the top because it's so slow.
Yep.
I don't know. With little kids, I was a nervous wreck the
It's
whole
cool,
time.
but it's hot too. Yeah. Hey buddy, what'd you get today?
The police car.
Can you show them? Whoa. What'd you get?
I got a unicorn.
Of course you got a stuffy. What'd you get today?
Salad. It's on its way. This is awesome, right?
Yep, it's pretty
The
neat.
only thing I didn't like is the gondola ride because it stopped and we were up high.
Treetop skywalk is what it's called, right?
Maximum 8 people on a bridge. Sea dragon.
It's called the wild.
Yeah, that's crazy. Never seen that before.
I have not either.
wow. That's
Yeah.
I was like, why are you going so fast? This isn't a race.
I was trying to get the shot. Oh, wow, guys. Ta-da-da! Oh, you don't want it right here? Oh, you want it like that? Okay, you want to look first?
Oh, what do you think? Your
Like
first room service.
Macaroni.
Well, I bet
Oh, I thought you said grilled
I
cheese.
bet Sissy will let you have some of that. It's a
Oh,
lot.
sir, are you displeased with your order?